In the following videos, you will learn how to code your own macros in your Excel files. And to do so, you need to be familiar with the Visual Basic editor and know the 101s. The first step is to actually open the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. In the Project Explorer view here in the window, you have the VBA project for the file that is open right now. You are going to systematically insert a new module. This module appears here under Modules, and you have the Module 1 by default. You can rename it here. The only thing though is that you don't use any space in the name. So instead, I would suggest that you use the underscore if needed. Once you rename it, you have a blank page on the right. That is the space where we're going to write our macros. You can write several macros in the blank page in the module Fun. To write your first macro, start by sub and the name of your macro and type enter. As you can see, the macro will be limited between the sub and the end sub. After the first end sub, you can then have a second macro and so on. Now you are ready to go to the next step.